Welcome back to our channel, where we explore innovative products that make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you: the 60 cm Sewer Dredger Spring Pipe Dredging Tool Household Hair Cleaner Drain. Are you tired of dealing with clogged drains in your kitchen or bathroom? Say goodbye to the hassle and frustration with this amazing tool that will unclog your pipes in no time. This sewer dredger is a game changer when it comes to clearing out tough clogs caused by hair, grease, and other debris. With its 60 cm length, it can reach deep into your pipes to effectively remove blockages and restore proper water flow. What sets this dredging tool apart from traditional methods is its spring design, which allows it to easily navigate through bends and curves in your pipes. No more calling expensive plumbers or using toxic chemicals. This tool is safe, eco-friendly, and incredibly effective. Using the sewer dredger is a breeze. Simply insert it into your drain, twist the handle to extend the spring, and pull out the clog. It's that easy. With its ergonomic handle and sturdy construction, you can trust that this tool will get the job done every time. Not only will this dredging tool save you time and money, but it will also prevent future clogs from forming. Keep your drains clean and flowing smoothly with this must-have tool for every household. Don't let clogged drains ruin your day. Invest in the 60 cm Sewer Dredger Spring Pipe Dredging Tool, Household Hair Cleaner Drain, and experience the difference for yourself. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting product reviews and demonstrations. Happy dredging. Get yours now. Visit our store, link in description.